How to fix your IT administrator has limited access error on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are getting this issue with IT administrator, it could be the permissions issue. In order to fix it, here are a few commands that you need to give in your command prompt. So first of all, you need to search for command prompt and make sure to run it as administrator. Once you open the command prompt, here are a few commands that have been given on the description box. You just have to copy each of the command and paste it on the command prompt and run it. Most often this problem is caused by incorrectly set user account permission settings, which can be easily fixed. In other cases, it is a third-party antivirus that may cause of restricted access to Windows Defender. So by using the command, you have removed them as suggested. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.